In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office status on Slack. If you're stepping away for a day or longer, setting an out of office status is a simple way to let teammates know what to expect. It appears next to your name across channels and direct messages, so people immediately understand you're not available and when to follow up. Start by opening Slack and heading to your profile area in the lower left corner of the window. This is where your profile photo and name appear. Click that profile section to open a small menu with options related to your account and presence. From that menu, choose Update Your Status. This opens a status panel where you can write the message you want your teammates to see. In the text field, type a clear, friendly note such as "Out of office" or "Ooh, back on Monday." Keep it concise and professional so it's easy to scan in a busy channel. If you collaborate across time zones or teams, adding a brief return time frame can be helpful as long as you're comfortable sharing it. Right beside the text field, you can set an emoji to visually reinforce your status. Pick something that quickly communicates you're away, like a palm tree, airplane, or calendar. The emoji appears next to your name, which makes your status stand out even when people are skimming a channel list. Now, if you want to make this even smoother for the future, look for the option labeled Edit Suggestions. This lets you add your out-of-office wording to your workspace's list of reusable status suggestions. Adding it here means the next time you're heading out, you won't need to retype anything. Just open your profile, choose Update Your Status, and select your saved out-of-office suggestion from the list. Keep the phrasing short and universal so it works in different situations and for everyone in your organization. That's all there is to it. Click your profile in the bottom left, select Update Your Status, write a clear out-of-office message, choose an emoji that fits, and if you'd like, add that status to Edit Suggestions so it's only a couple of clicks next time. Once your status is set, teammates will see it right away in your profile and next to your messages, which helps reduce confusion and keeps projects moving smoothly while you're away. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you communicate your availability on Slack with confidence and clarity.